Hey, buddy, are you gonna cook the pumpkin?
Whoa. Ow.
What'd you do? You gonna cook me dinner?
Whoa.
Oh, I think we need to go get brother. Is it all done? Is it all done?
No.
Okay. Oh, well done. Good job. Yay. Hey, Alex. Wow. Very nice. Thank you for dinner. You ready to eat dinner?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. You gonna serve it up? Yeah. Oh, thank you very much for dinner. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Can you wave?
Bye.
Can you wave? Close enough.